Planning a schedule is hard work. Figuring out what to do, when, and how requires us to reconcile multiple and competing space and time constraints. We present Space-Time Planner, a unified space-time approach to support flexible, personal scheduling. It runs on a mobile application and lets users easily specify space-time constraints and iterate on viable schedules via automation support. Let's see how it works in action on a concrete scenario. For my upcoming trip to Europe, I have 1 day to spend in Amsterdam before visiting my friend Rudy in the countryside. I got a list of recommendations from Rudy to look over. I'll leave the hotel around 9 a.m., and so I add my hotel location at that time to the schedule. Next, I want to visit the Central Library first thing, as I've been told their top floor has amazing morning views. As I'm looking at the hours of operation in context, I will plan to be there as soon as they open, which is at 10 a.m. I see that it will take 17 minutes to walk there, and I don't need to spend a whole hour in the library, so I'm going to adjust the duration to 45 minutes instead. It looks like I have some extra time in the morning, and in fact, let me leave the hotel around 10 a.m. instead. It would be nice to sleep in. As I shift the hotel block, I can see that the system automatically resolves the conflict by pushing the visit to the library forward in time. Now for lunch. I have a list of a few Dutch pancake houses from Rudy. I'll add all the locations to the palette and create a one-of group here, as I only need to go to one of these places. Let's have lunch around 12. By default, the presented location option is the closest to the library, but let's see what the other options are. Okay, let's keep this for now. Now, some afternoon activities. I can't possibly do everything, but I'll use an as many of option group here to lay down my options and see what I can fit during that time. Here's a first option, proposed by the system, that actually impacts where I want to eat. Let me adjust some of the times here. I think I'd only like to spend maybe 30 minutes at Dam Square. Oh, the botanical garden. I definitely want to check that out. Let me add it to the group of activities and see how it goes. Nice. I guess I have a plan. We conducted a user study with 12 participants who were asked to replicate a planning scenario and then create a schedule for a friend in a city of their choice. Here we see the results of the open-ended task. Our results suggest that our approach is easy to learn and to use and fills an important gap. Check out our paper for more details on how.